Hi, let us have a demonstration on how to use the 5W of FCRT, or the 5W of finding and choosing a research topic. But first, I will introduce you to the research agenda that can guide you in your FCRT journey. And here is an example of the research agenda. The World Health Organization research agenda on inclusive growth includes employment generation, agriculture development, poverty reduction, equal distribution of income, social sector development, reduction in regional disparities, industrial development, and environmental protection. Then the University Research and Development and Extension Agenda, or DEA, of Eastern Visayas State University, EVSU, derived the following: poverty reduction, food security, nutrition and health, climate change adaptation and disaster mitigation management, inclusive economic growth, good governance and public resource management, human capital development, gender and development, and Waray culture and arts. And the research agenda of the Chemical Engineering Department of Eastern Visayas State University are biotechnology, information and communication technology, energy, materials science and engineering, manufacturing and process engineering, environmental engineering and industrial waste management, new paradigms in chemical engineering education and management. Now, let us have your little brain exercise. We will see how we can provide more focus and narrow our research topic. The statement of the topic is, this study aims to use the green method for producing nanoparticles from Clitoria trinitae flower extract. Using the 5Ws, let me illustrate how the research title can be formulated based on a class session scenario. I'm sure one of my students is very happy about this example. When we ask the question, why the topic, and what is your interest on this topic, the answer was, I am interested on the green method for nanoparticles processing. That is our broad topic, green method for nanoparticles processing. That is broad because green method encompasses many things. It can have several definitions as well as nanoparticles processing. Several materials can be processed into nanoparticles. So when you speak of green method and nanoparticles processing, what do you mean? The answer was biosynthesis of silver nanoparticles, and the issue is whether the biosynthesis of silver nanoparticles is possible with Clitoria trinitae. So we can narrow the broad topic to biosynthesis of silver nanoparticles with Clitoria trinitae extract. You would think it would end with that, but me, after searching the web, is that still an issue when there are existing research publications on this regard? Can we narrow it further so we can have our final research focus? Where would biosynthesis of silver nanoparticles with Clitoria trinitae extract be applicable? The answer was as water-based paint additive, and I haven't yet encountered a study specifically on this area, ma'am, although there are already talks. A sort of Marites or Karen on the net. Okay, we settled on the focus topic therefore as biosynthesis of silver nanoparticles with Clitoria trinitae extract to use as water-based paint additive. Using these keywords, the initial research topic is, this study aims to conduct the biosynthesis of silver nanoparticles with Clitoria trinitae extract as a water-based paint additive. So when was your topic important? Do you want to compare your topic by time periods, materials, process? Who are the information providers on this topic? The answer was, no idea yet. Okay, so let us use our focus topic to formulate your title. The initial title given was silver nanoparticles biosynthesized from Clitoria ternity extract, a water-based paint additive. But for the sake of clarity of the title, let me ask you, you, yes, you who is watching this video, what is more important? The silver nanoparticles biosynthesis processing of Clitoria ternity extract, or using it as a water-based paint additive? Think, 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 think. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Of course, from the class scenario I just gave you, it is, drumroll please, water-based paint additive. So we can revise the title to water-based paint additive from biosynthesized silver nanoparticles of Clitoria ternity extract. Now, let me end this discussion with Alice and the Cheshire Cat. Alice, would you tell me please which way I ought to go from here? Cat, that depends a good deal on where you want to get to. Alice, I don't much care where. Cat, then it doesn't matter which way you will walk. Alice, so long as I get somewhere. Cat, oh, you're sure to do that if you only walk long enough. Indeed, if you only search long enough, you surely will be able to choose your research topic. Good luck on your FCRT journey.